Morning traders, my name is Will, and in this short video I'll be going through my weekly watch list. Kicking off, we have SPY, and then Tesla, NOC, CHWY, Stne, CHPT, Asan, and also HUSA. So firstly, we have the SPY. If I zoom in real quickly on my daily time frame, we are looking fairly bullish. So upside break of this range of between 417 and 405, we are looking for 424 and then 428 test. Now bear in mind there is two MAs just above, so we've got the 200 MA, which is the red line, and also the 100 MA, which is the blue line. So two significant points of resistance, as well as this resistance just above at 428, and also the gap fill 424. So upon 428, upon the 418 level breaking, just look for these two levels. Downside potential, we're looking for 405 break to then see 400, so we could get a $5 per share gain on this index fund. Next up, we have Tesla. If my chart loads. So yes, if you guys can see this, if I point this out quickly, we are forming a head and shoulders pattern. So we've got the left shoulder there, we've got the right shoulder, and then perhaps another, we've got the right shoulder on the right. Upside potential for this stock, we're looking for 730 break to then see this level around 790 to be tested, or at least 775. Downside potential, we're looking for 680 break to then see 630. Next up, we have NOC. This is trading in a very tight range after a month-long consolidation. So upon the break of the recent high on Friday, so 480, we are looking for potential or a move to 490 and then 500 for this stock. We do have some support around 460 as well, so make sure to look for some quick adds if this level does hold. Next up, we have CHPT. This one gapped up to the earnings. We did also day trade this a few times last week. So for this stock, we are looking for 29.80 to break to then see $30, 32, 31.20, and then 32.25. We also have the 50 MA just above as well, but we are looking for some movement upwards to then see these levels around here to be tested. Downside potential, 27.10 break. We're then looking for 24.80 to break, and we are then likely to see a 100% retracement back down to the lows around 23.50. Next up, we have Stne. This gapped up due to earnings, and I'm liking the look of this stock as well. So we are looking to play bullishly on this stock. If 11.80 breaks, we're then looking for 12.30, which is some support and resistance around this level over here. And then the big 100 MA to be tested, which is just around $13. So for upside potential, look for 11.80, 12.30, and then $13 for this stock. For downside, we're looking for 11.30 to break, and then for 10.80 to break, and then hopefully some downward movement back to this consolidation just around this level, so around 9.50. Next up, we have CHPT. This is another stock I'm liking the look of. Now, I do say this lightly, in quotes. I have already done quotes on this chart right around here, up above. We are in a downtrend, right? But the thing is, we just technically broke it. So we've got the lower high, lower low, and then a new higher high, as we did just take out the highs of this lower high. So from here, we are looking for 12.50 to hold, which matches up to my fib levels just below the 61, 80% fib line. So yes, above the highs of $14/$15, we're looking for this 100 MA to break, and then a 200 to break just after that. Next up, we have Asan. This one is traded in a tight range, but we are looking for upside potential. So a break of 24.10 to then see 26.20 and then 29.60. If Asan does break to the downside, so if it breaks below this $21 level, we're looking for a triple bottom around 18.20. Lastly, we have HUSA. HUSA is a small cap stock. It's a small cap oiler. Everyone should be familiar with the stock. If we break it down on the 30-minute time frame, this is what I am looking at right now. So anything above $5 is pretty bullish to me, as this is a key level, key psych level. But just above, we're looking for 565 to break, which was Friday's high, and then a movement past 615 to 665. Now this is a potential movement, isn't confirmed or anything, but of oil still going up and looking fairly strong, considering the crude oil is still rallying. We're looking for some upside potential on these small cap oilers. Now I'll be concluding my video here. I will get better at these videos as time goes by. I know that my editing, or at least my drawing skills are not to standards, at least just yet, but I'll be working on it. Now I hope that you guys have a lovely day. I'll catch you at open, and I'll be releasing my Tesla supports and resistances later on. Right, take care. Peace.